What's up everybody and welcome back on the Moonshot channel. I hope you are doing very well. And yes, look at this on the screen here. This is a perfect call we got with VIPs on the Discord server. As you can see here, this is really awesome. I mean guys, plan your trade and just trade them, okay? As you can see on the left, on the top left here, it's just I mean you cannot see my mouth here, but anyway. That was a predicted entry, here. As you can see on the top left, on the top right, that was an expected wave, that we did exactly as you can see here. We just, I mean, not on the time, of course, but on the price. We touched this perfect first prediction, on this white draw here, just right there. You can see we just touched this price. That was expected. I sent a message for VIPs before to go to sleep. That was expected to go to this price, and we just dump it after this. So that's a awesome, guys. For real, this is awesome. But yes, so don't forget, guys, if you want to get some really good trade like that, don't forget to join the Discord server. This is really important. I mean, that was for VIPs, but I also post some trades for free members too sometimes, okay? So guys, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to join the Discord server, to smash the link to join the Discord server. And yes, guys, today we're going to update the Bitcoin chart. So, what we can expect now on Bitcoin? First of all, if we break this bottom just right there, the three bottoms here we did, that's more. We are more going, because yeah, I have to draw you the waves first of all. So I don't know if I have them here or not. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, that's a wave, I mean, I'm not going to draw each waves on each video, tell you that we're in a wave 2 in my opinion, and not in a wave 4, now not in a wave 5 but in a wave 3, and we are in an impulsive wave Y, extra. Just check, guys, my previous videos on this. I explain everything why we are in this. So yes, in my opinion, we are in this wave 1, 2 with an ABC here that is not visible here, why I don't know. But anyway, that's not a problem. Alright, please not now, Windows update. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave 5 can reach the 100, I mean the 61.8, 100%, 161.8 or 261.8. In my opinion, this dump is, I mean, this is not the end of this wave to the upside. We are going a bit higher here to this 261 point, as you can see just right there, so it will bring us to 53k. Why? Simply because if you have a look, so wave 3, I'm going just to change that. Wave 3 reached the 200%. This is not the most common target for wave 3, but that's what we did, okay? Then wave 4. Wave 4 is on this bottom just right there, as you can see. So first target is a 61.8, okay? So that will be a truncated Elliott Wave 5, so this is not really common, and as you can see, we went clearly higher. Oh no, sorry, it will be here. We went clearly higher, so this is not possible. Then the next target and most common target for a wave 5 is a 100%. That's why also I expected a dump from here. I mean a dump wave to retracement or a C wave to be still inside this correction wave. That is not possible now because we are higher than the 161.8 for every ABC possible here, or WXY, and the maximum target for an ABC on the C wave is a 161.8. So this is clearly not possible that we are in a bearish scenario here. I mean, everything is possible, but it's more likely, that we are in a bullish scenario, just doing a retracement after reaching this 261.8 to go high after this, okay? So 100% most common target touched, but we are not dumping from here. Then the 161.8, I was expecting also a wave to the downside from here, but we didn't did it, okay? We did another wave to the upside here, but I don't expect a dump here, and maybe we are going to dump because no one expects a dump from here. But the problem is 200% is not a target for a wave 5, okay? The target for a wave 5 is a 200, the last possible target for a wave 5 is a 261.8. So I expect a wave that's gonna go, for example, here to the downside a bit more and just move up to, to reach this 261.8. The problem is I don't find any good waves to determine what we are doing currently, okay? It's also possible that we are in a big ABC here, and in that case we will be inside an expanding triangle here. We will go a bit lower here and then move to the upside to reach the 261.8, okay? That's also possible here, but yeah, I'm not going to draw each wave inside because clearly we don't really care about, I mean, it's more for long term, you know. I analyze this for you. With VIPs, we care about that, of course, because we trade the waves, so that's important, of course. But yeah, here I'm not going to do that. So so yeah, that will be also possibly a strand ending, you know, something like that. That we want to it was 3, 4, and then 5, and the wave 5 go a bit high, you know, to reach this. I mean, I'm going to draw you that, but yeah, that will be a really wave. I mean, an ugly wave, you know, here. So 1, 2. I mean, that's no, 3, 4, and then the wave 5, you know, with a big ABC. That will be more for now a zigzag if we are in an ABC. And if we just do a perfect retracement, you know, it would be a 61.8 now. Okay, the zigzag, you know, can retrace maximum 90% retracement here. So yeah, a 61.8 is expected for now. This is a good support level, okay, but you have to pay attention to this and check at smaller waves, okay. If we are on some wave to the downside, because yes, this is possible, of course, I expect a wave that's gonna go to the upside here to reach the 261.8, just right there, as you can see. And yeah, there is a lot of targets a bit higher, so we're gonna probably, if we reach this level, go a bit higher, range a bit, and after this move to the downside to do a retracement here, okay. This is the not the only possible scenario here, because yes, there is a super bullish scenario too that is clearly possible here, as you can see on the RSI. Because yes, on the RSI, when you have a wave 1, 2, for example, I'm gonna say that, okay. So for example, here this is a wave 1 and 2, okay. Like that. This is in the bull scenario, that will be another wave 1, 2. And the thing I want you to understand is a wave 2 cannot break on the RSI as a wave 1 beginning, okay. So here it don't break the first one. Here that's another wave 1, 2. If we are in the super bullish scenario, we didn't broke the wave 1, okay. Here wave 1, 2, we are really close to the bottom, to the bottom of the wave 1, you know, but yeah, it's not broken yet, okay. So you're gonna have to pay attention to this, because if we're in this guy, this is just a super bullish scenario that's gonna play, or I mean that have more chance to play, okay, because it will be wave 1, 2. So the wave 3 we are already in, with another wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and after this we're just going to explode everything and just to rocket to the upside, but to damn high prices, guys. That is clearly possible. So that's gonna be decisive, you know, if the market want to dump it a bit before to move up again. I would prefer this, because it would be better to buy before, I mean lower here. And in my opinion, that will be I mean, it will be too fast, you know, to pump now directly. But you know, everything is possible. So yes, so that's possible, you know. I'm maybe going to draw the waves for you. So I'm going to, so yeah, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, the wave 3 will not be possible to find, you know, with the Fibonacci extension tool, because we will be clearly too high. So like that, you know, it will be a wave 3. I mean, I already draw normally the super bullish scenario here. If I can find it, super bullish scenario, it may be on the Coinbase price, because here I'm on the Bybit price. So let's move on the Coinbase price here. Let's have a look. Let me check here if there is a super bullish scenario. Alright, super bullish. As you can see, that will be the waves here, you know, wave, and we will go really high, you know. Wave 1, 2 on the RSI, we didn't broken the wave 1 beginning, so that's cool. Then another wave 1, 2, as you can see, the white one here, and then another wave 1, 2. You know, if we break this wave, this bottom here, that's pretty cool, because you're gonna invalid, you know, the next wave 1, 2, and that's possibly more a wave to the downside incoming, you know. So yeah, guys, you really have to pay attention to this. This is extremely important if we are rocketing, or just moving a bit more up, or just moving down to the downside to retrace here. I already told you, but in case we do the retracement, so on the Bybit price, please. just right there. In case we do the retracement here, I'm just going to hide this inside my folder here. In case we do the retracement here, okay, from the top we did now, okay, so the target will be the 61.8, you know, for now. So that will be the first red line, yellow line here, okay, but that will be a wave 2 because I maybe, oh no, I will have to move them back here. All right, if I can, perfect. So I'm going to move this sorry, like that, and yeah, so that will be the smaller waves, you know, of a bigger wave 1 here, okay, and that will be the smaller wave of a bigger wave 1. All right, I can't because it's not doing analysis here. Perfect. So now we are good. Okay, so but yeah, what's next, you know, after this? If we just dump from here, if we finish the waves, what I expect is just a wave 1 here, okay, a bigger wave 1 and a bigger wave 2. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are going to see after this wave 3, 4, and 5. If we do that, I already did the work on my previous video, but I'm going to do it again. So where we should stop, you know, on this, most of the time. So that's a 50% retracement. This is a 61.8 and 66. Okay, so most of the time, I mean, I'm going to put it like that. You're gonna be better like that. So it has 73% of chance to stop between these two levels. Okay, 73%. So this is a really high chance to stop just right there. So you have to play, guys, with statistics. Okay, we have to be inside the small wave to determine if we are in an ABC, for example, A, B, and then C. So oops, that was not, but anyway, you understood, A, B, C, and we have to determine, like that, we're gonna be able to determine the last possible target or the possible stops. Okay, if we are in this, of course, if we are not in this anymore, we are completely wrong. I mean, I am completely wrong. But anyway, this is what is expected. Okay, so here a 61.8 retracement if we are dumping already, but if we are not, we are expecting to go to the 261.8 and do a bigger wave to retracement or do a super bullish scenario. Okay, I don't see now something bearish. I was really more bearish on short term previously, you know, to do this wave to the downside, but it's not happening, and now it's not anymore possible. So I don't have the crystal ball. I don't predict the future. I try to predict the future, but yeah, everyone is a human, and yeah, like everyone can be wrong. Okay, so I got also these possible scenarios. You have to be, as a trader, you have to get as a trader all the possible scenarios to be prepared, you know, to be ready to do something else. So anyway, that's the plan, you know, for now. So wave 1, 2, like that. So the maximum, I mean not the maximum target, the most common target for this wave 3 is the 161.8. As you can see, it brings us directly to a new all-time high. Okay, oops. Then a wave 4 after, we're gonna see that, but that's the most common target. Okay, we can still reach the 200%. That is not the most common target. This is the most common one, the 161.8, but this is also a possible stop. Okay, so that's 80 fucking thousand, guys. This is just insane. 81,000 almost. Next, there is another target that is a 261.8. that is also on the wave some price, as you can see on the screen here. And next, you have the last possible target on the wave 3. That is a 130k. This is just insane price on this wave 3. But yeah, we're gonna stay with common goals for now. Okay, so that's the price we're gonna expect for this wave 3. We still have to be inside to inside to determine the price we're gonna reach on this wave 3 top. Okay, then the wave 4 is expected. Okay, wave 4 after a wave 2, sorry, with a 61.8 retracement, we expect a 38.2. We can still go maximum to the 50% if we go to the 61.8. That's a bit strange. Okay, we are not anymore in this, in my opinion, and moreover this, if we break the wave on top, we are not anymore inside this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here 38.2 is expected, as you can see on the right here. So after 38.2, you can just expect on the wave 5 100%. Okay, the first possible stop will be the 61.8, so that will be normally another bigger wave 1 and 2 to go high after this. I don't remember if that may be wrong. And yeah, the next target will be the 100% here. Then that's the most common target. Okay, so it will stop us, you know, on the 81k, 81,000. That will be the stop here. And after this, yeah, another wave 1-2 normally to go really higher. So wave 1-2, I remind you, but it's a 61.8 retracement. No, most of the time it can retrace a bit more. So in my opinion, that's why we are consolidating a bit. I mean a bit now, because we are moving back. We are going back after this to this price, around this price. Okay, that's why we did some lot of bottom here. You know, this 61.8 match with this, and we are going to build some things, some beautiful things here. Okay. So that will be the reason also why we are doing this. So after this bigger wave 1-2, so we will it will bring us back here, and after this, you know, guys, that's I'm just going back to the wave 5, but this is the most common target. Okay, you can still go to the 161.8, so that will bring us around to 100k, and then to the 261.8. This target, guys, is the last possible target. The 200 is not a target at all. This is a 61.8, 100, 161.8, or 261.8. You don't have any other possible target for a wave 5. Okay, it depends if we are on a wave 3 less important than 161.8. In that case, the 38.2 gonna be a target, but in that case the Fibonacci level gonna be like that. Okay, and the 261.8 not gonna be a target, but the 161.8 gonna be the last target for this. Anyway, so that was some rules that you have to know. So yes, that's what is expected now. I'm just gonna check quickly this. You guys, this trade, guys, was insane. We just took the trade yesterday night, and that was some insane predictions. First of all, we just filled a short from here. You know, I mean, I'm learning exo charts, you know, and some other things to analyze in the market. And I can tell you that Elliott Waves, moreover this is just you can see it by yourself on the screen. Okay, so this is just insane. And yeah, so that was a predicted entry here. We first of all get filled here on this first week here. I said we're going down, but I be expected still to reach this 261.8, as you can see. That was I drew this, you know, from here. We didn't respect it exactly, you know, the time, but on the price it was exactly that. So after this we just dumped it a lot, and that's a huge profit here we did. And yeah, now I have to walk to determine if we are now dumping more or not. So I'm gonna stop the recording, you know. I'm gonna stop the record. But yes, now you know what we can expect on Bitcoin, guys. So if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy this update, don't forget to smash the like button. This is extremely important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm, because yes, it's gonna allow me to boost the channel, you know. It's gonna thanks me, your like, you know, gonna thanks me and boost the channel. So if you can do that, I will really appreciate it. If you want to get noticed for futures videos, futures analysis, extra, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications on the channel. If you want to get noticed before most of the time, then I post a video, you know, I post my scenarios here on the YouTube channel. Don't forget to join the Discord server, because yes, I'm really active on it. So more with VIPs, of course, because I have to bring a service, you know, and some services, because yes, they pay, so that's the game, you know. And yes, so guys, take care of you, that's very important. Stay safe. Hope you enjoy this market update. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask, and see you next time, guys. That was a pleasure for me.